Hello friends, welcome to my channel Teaching Why. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment and share. Question number 1. The term mixed economy denoted option A existence of both rural and urban sectors. Option B existence of both private and public sectors. Option C existence of both heavy and small industries. Option D none of these. The right answer is option B existence of both private and public factors. Question number 2. In an economy, the sectors are classified into public and private of the basic of option A employment condition, option B nature and economic activities, option C ownership of enterprises, option D use of raw materials. The right answer is option C ownership of enterprises. Question number 3. Which sector of Indian economy has shown remarkable expansion during the last decade? Option A primary sector, option B secondary sector, option C tertiary sector, option D mining sector. The right answer is option C tertiary sector. Question number 4. When development in economy takes place, the share of tertiary sector in national income. Option A first falls and then rises, option B first rises and then falls, option C keeps on increasing, option D remains constant. Right answer is option C keeps on increasing. Question number 5. In India, planned economy is based on option A Keynesian system, option B socialist system, option C capitalist system, option D mixed economy system. The right answer is option B socialist system. Question number 6. In India, agriculture income is calculated by option A output method, option B input method, option C expenditure method, option C commodity flow method. The right answer is option A output method. Question number 7. Who coined the term Hindu rate of growth for Indian economy? Option A A.K. Sen, option B Kirti S. Parikh, option C Raj Krishna, option D none of these. Question number 8. GDP at factor cost is option A GDP minus indirect taxes plus subsidies, option B GNP minus depreciation allowance, option C NNP plus depreciation allowance, option D GDP minus subsidies plus indirect taxes. The right answer is option A GDP minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. Question number 9. Per capita income is obtained by dividing national income by option A total population of the country, option B total working population, option C area of the country, option D volume of the capital used. The right answer is option A total population of the country. Question number 10. Which one of the following is a development expenditure? Option A irrigation expenditure, option B civil administration, option C debt service, option D grant in aid. The right answer is option A irrigation expenditure. Question number 11. Which of the following can be called as a part of the service sector? Option A textile mills, option B banking, option C coal mines, option D agriculture. Right answer is option B banking. Question number 12. National income is based on the option A total revenue of the state, option B production of goods and services, option C the sum of all fractions of income, option D none of these. Right answer is option B production of goods and services. Question number 13. Which of the following is definitely a major indication of the state of the economy of a country? Option A rate of GDP growth, option B rate of inflation, option C number of banks in a country, option D stock of food grains in a country. Right answer is option A, rate of GDP growth. Question number 14. Which sector of Indian economy contributes largest to the gross national product? Option A, primary sector. Option B, secondary sector. Option C, tertiary sector. Option D, public sector. Right answer is option C, tertiary sector. Question number 15. National income estimates in India are prepared by option A, Planning Commission. Option B, Reserve Bank of India. Option C, Central Statistical Organization. Option D, Indian Statistical Institute. Right answer is option C, Central Statistical Organization. Question number 16. The main source of national income in India is option A, service sector. Option B, agriculture. Option C, industrial sector. Option D, trade sector. Right answer is option A, service sector. Question number 17. The base year for computation of national income in India is option A, 1990 to 91. Option B, 1993 to 94. Option C, 1999 to 2000. Option D, 2000 to 1. Right answer is option B, 1993 to 94. Question number 18. In India, Hindu rate of growth is associated with which of the following? Option A, birth rate. Option B, population. Option C, per capita income. Option D, national income. Right answer is option D, national income. Question number 19. Which one of the following is not an example of economic overheads? Option A, sanitary facilities. Option B, schools. Option C, roads and railway. Option D, coal mines. The right answer is option D, coal mines. Question number 20. Hindu rate of growth refers to the rate of growth of option A, GDP. Option B, population. Option C, food grains. Option D, per capita income. The right answer is option A, GDP. Question number 21. Who had estimated national income in India first? Option A, Dadabhai Naoroji. Option B, R.C. Datta. Option C, V.K.R.B. Rao. Option D, D.R. Gadgil. Right answer is option A, Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 22. Who wrote a book describing the theory of economic drain of India during British rule? Option A, Late Rajput Rai. Option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D, Dadabhai Naoroji. The right answer is option D, Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 23. As the economy develops, the share of the tertiary sector in the GDP. Option A, decreases. Option B, decreases then increases. Option C, increases. Option D, remain constant. Right answer is option C, increases. Question number 24. The national income of a country is option A, the annual revenue of the government. Option B, sum total of factor incomes. Option C, surplus of public factor undertakings. Option D, export minus import. Right answer is option B, sum total of factor incomes. Question number 25. Which one among the following countries has the lowest GDP per capita? Option A, China. Option B, India. Option C, Indonesia. Option D, Sri Lanka. The right answer is option B, India.